Hello and welcome to Sigidrigi.com. I'm just going to show you how you can easily listen to music using this website that is Fijian music, and you can listen to Sigidrigi Humbe songs or Fijian gospel. What you have to do is type in the artist name or the song name into this search box here. So I'll just add in Sigidrigi. Let's just scroll down a bit. Sigidrigi. Click search, and a list of Sigidrigi songs should come up in this box over here. There we are. And then we can add the songs of Sigidrigi that you like and put it onto this playlist over here on the right here. So I will click on those, click on a few. As you can see, I clicked on 4 and the 4 songs have appeared here. And what we can do now is play one of those songs. So that's playing there. Now I'm just going to turn the volume down while it's playing. So the song is still playing on the background there. And what I'll do is search for another song. So let's search for Laisa Wula Koro. The song is still playing, and your song hasn't been disturbed at all by your new search. It's just searching for songs there. So it's come up with some songs for Laisa Wula Koro. You see the list is quite extensive. So what I'll do is add a few Laisa Wula Koro songs, and you can notice that those songs should come up again on the right. So you can just keep searching for songs and add them to your playlist and then play them, and then the songs will continue playing. So quite good for anything that you're doing at home or drinking some kava and you're looking for songs. You just add them on and play, and they'll just continuously play as a loop. Thank you.